And there you go. This is your brand new public profile on Snapchat. Now, first thing to do will be to add a cover photo. So let's search for a picture. This one as an example. Welcome to this video tutorial where we are going to show you how to add a public profile on Snapchat. First thing to do is to make sure your app is updated. After that, all you need to do is to open your Snapchat app. Here, it's going to start on the camera and you need to go to profile. The button is located in the top left corner. You click on it. After that, you need to scroll down. Here you're going to see the create public profile button. If you don't see that, then you need to go to settings on the top right corner. You need to scroll down until you find privacy control. Here you need to set your account as public as possible. For example, you click on view my story and select everyone. If you go back, you also need to click on see me on QuickAd and click on show me on QuickAd. Also, you should click on contact me and select everyone. Now that you did that, you can go back and your create public profile should be available. Now we're gonna click on it. Here you can take a quick read on what a public profile can offer you. Remember, to be able to create a public profile on Snapchat, you need to be 17 years old or older. Now we click on Get Started and Create. Here you can see your public profile was created. The button changed to My Public Profile. So all you need to do now is to edit it. So click on it and there you go. This is your brand new public profile on Snapchat. Now first thing to do will be to add a cover photo. So let's search for a picture. This one as an example. And then we click on upload and now you can see your public profile has a new cover photo. Now you can click on edit profile and, for example, add a little bio, or maybe you can toggle along the show how many people follow you. Also, you can click on preview profile to check how your profile looks to other people. And this is how you can add a public profile on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe.